Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we're trying about explore this Swagger. So this Swagger is nothing but as a one kind of API. So where we can interact with this our orchestrator to Swagger. So vice versa. So we are getting the date post this kind of stuff is there. No? So we're accessing about this Swagger. So the first step is how we can enable this access, like authorize this, how we can authorize this. To from orchestrator to Swagger, how we can connect these things. So if you don't know anything, you can just launch this link and we can see this. So if you want to navigate this Swagger, so this is the link. So cloud.uipath.com, after the organization name, tenant name, and orchestrator. So these things how we can get. So just go to here and copy from this here tenant, or else me whatever the data, you can just copy this and go to new window and paste it. After that, you can mention this slash Swagger. So just hit enter. It will navigate to that. It's not navigating. Okay, no issues. We'll go another way. So just click on this orchestrator, and once this is done, now after that you can mention just Swagger. So once you hit that, so it will directly navigate to the Swagger page. So this is the way how we can navigate to the Swagger page. Now the next step is let it load. Okay, now the next step is how we can authorize this one. So once you click on this authorization, you can see this client ID and client secret. Okay, these all the data we need to update. So these data how we can get now. So just click on this admin. So once you click on this admin, you can select this which tenant. So right now we have the multiple tenants. You can select this tenant, and once tenant has selected, then you can see these services. So just click on this services, and you can see this orchestrator. So under this orchestrator, we can see API accesses. So just click on that API accesses, and we can see this tenant ID, sorry, client ID, client name, organization ID, some user key. So those all data is available. You can, if you want, you can just copy and store into somewhere else. Later it might be used. Once you're done, you can just click on this view. So it navigate to the some other GUI. So here we can create this add application. So for this application, we are connecting the API. So I will make it as API. And here we want to see downside. We can see this redirect URL. Just click, and this link you are getting from the again this related to till here. So just copy and redirect URL. Just update it here. So uipath.cloud.uipath.com. After this, you can mention this tenant, I mean your organization name, and you can see this top side resources add scopes. So just click on this add scope. Right now we are working on the APIs now. So that APIs is related to the orchestrator API. Just click on that orchestrator API and select all. So user scopes are like over.admin, all the stuff need to select. Okay. Similar way, we can see the application scope. So under this application scope, we have the multiple types of permissions. So just click on that all, select all the things of, under user scope and application scope, both the sites. Once everything is got selected, you can just click on that save. Okay, now everything is done. So now we are moving to the add the new application. So it got created, and you can see this app ID and the secret. Just click on that close and go to this edit option. And right now we can see this secret ID. So if you want to generate, you can generate multiple secret is no issues. So I'm generating here multiple generate. So you can see I have generated 3. So if you want, you can delete rest of the things, and which one you want, you can use that. Once you generated these things, just copy this app ID and this client secret. So just copy those two things and updated here a client ID and the password. Once this is done, you can just click on this authorize. So it will authorize that one. Now what is, so if you're getting any error, just refresh this and retry one more time. So already we have this password as well. Let me copy the password one more time, and I will update this one. So still, if you're getting any error, just try to clear all the caches, all the stuff, and you try, it will work. So now just I update it again. So now it got authorized. So we can see this now. We can just everything is stuff is there. So I'm just closing these things. Okay, now when you go, I mean, when you see this Swagger things, so we can see this lot of the things like related to the accounts, directory, these all are available. And couple of the things, just I'm expanding this account. So when you see this strikeout, when you see this like this kind of strikeout, so you are not able to access this one. And here, couple of the things we are able to access very easily, and couple of the things we are not able to access. So for example, when I go this folders, we can see this delete. If you want, you can delete that. And if you want to get for example, how we can use now. So if you want to get, just click on this get, and you can see this try out it. So you try it out. So we can see this now. Which one take? You can just, this is the thing. If you want anything, you can just add those stuff and click on this execute. Also, once you click on this execute, you can see this tenants. So right now, what we picked folders. So basically, I have the two folders. One is the personal, and another one is the shared one. So when I go to my orchestrator, let me go to the orchestrator. I'm closing rest of the things, and we can see it's my workspace and shared. So I have this only the two shared, and I have this person. So two folders are available. If you want, you can create one more thing. Let me check. I can create. I don't have option. Let me create one more folder. I will add this folder, test folder, test, and I create this. Now you can see this. I created one more folder which we call test folder. Now I go back to this Swagger, and again I will click on this execute. So now you can see this three things are available. So one is a personal which is created and shared the already existed one, and we can see this test folder. So for example, if I go and create one more thing, this is for TC, or else I will make it as TS folder. So just I created this. So now it got created one more folder which is in the order, and when I go on re-execute the same thing, for example, I execute. Okay, now this folder has got the full folders. Okay, like this we can get this. Got no, so how we can get the folders from there from the orchestrator? And similar way, if I want to delete that folder, so just click on this delete here, and just okay, try it now. After this, you can click on execute. Okay, right now you can see this, the error having the status is 404, which caused the error because it's saying that we need to add this key. So what is this key? It's a string $UUID. So what is this UUID? How we can get this from this? So already we got requested this get folders now. So just re-execute one more time. Okay, once you executed this, we can see this here, the which we called key. So when you see this here, key has a some number is there. So just copy that number which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this test folder. Okay, just copy this test folder. I mean test folder key. So I copied this test folder key, and right now this is I want to delete this one. So just go to here, just go to top and updated this number. So you can just update this key. Okay, once you've done, this is related to the test folder. Once you click on that executed, we can see the downside. So we got this response header, and we can see this code description, and it got deleted. So when you say it's got deleted, it means it got successfully run. And when I go and check here, I don't have this folder with the name of, and we can see this folder test folder deleted successfully. So like this it will work. So going further, we'll try to explore how we can connect it this via I mean UiPath Studio, how we can do these things. And here the only the one thing is just you can enable this authorization. So sometimes this authorization will won't work directly. So you can try for multiple times, like create, I mean clearing that web, I mean browser history, those and all. If it is not working, you can try for after 1 hour or 2 hour, might be the next day also. Definitely it will work. The only the thing is establish connection is a bit difficult. Bit difficult means sometimes it will connect and sometimes it's not connect, because we are in the form of community edition, no? So if you have this license one which is a paid license, then it will easily connect it. This is what I observed from when I trying to connect or authorize these things. So upcoming videos will try to explore how we can connect through UiPath Studio, and how we can do perform this type of activities, how we can get the data, how what type of data is getting, how we can do some manipulations on the based on the data. We'll go and see that. And still, if you have any doubts, retry for multiple times this for this concept, and still it is not working, just post your comments on the comment section. We'll try to help you.